Harvest Moon is so beautiful and it's so fun to play. It's a really, really easy song, guys. Really worth learning. You can play this. Let me show you the whole tune in just a few minutes. Okay, tune your guitar with a drop D tuning. All right, in the intro, put your first finger on the second string 10th fret and your second finger on the third string 11th fret. Now, kind of hit your bass notes first, 4, 5, and 6, and then downstroke that chord. Now, put your third finger on the second string 12th fret and go like this. Down, up, down. Okay, so it's very important that you obey the strokes that I have there on that tab in front of you. So it goes bass, down, down, up, down. All right, now, come to your first string 9th fret, second string 10th fret, third string 11th fret. This spells a beautiful chord called D major 7. Hit your bass notes again, and then 3 ups in a row. Up, 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 down, up. Okay, so it goes. Okay, so it sounds like this together. Down, 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 up, down, bass, up, down, up, bass, down, down, up, down, bass, up, down, up. Okay, some people do it like this. They go bass, down, down, up, down, up. They add that extra up at the end. Sounds great. If you want to do that, but Neil Young does not do that in the tune. All right, that's how you play the intro, and that's going to come back to us in a little bit. Now, in the verses, when he starts singing, he does this really beautiful thing. He does some harmonics. Line your pinky down across 4 strings on the 12th fret. Remember, with harmonics, you need to be right over the middle of the fret. Not in the middle of the fret, but over the middle. And go like this. Strings 1, 2, 3, 4, and then come all the way to the 5th string, 7th fret, and hit that one. So the rhythm comes out like this. All right, it's so pretty, right? So it goes. All right, that's what he does in some live videos. You can see he actually does that without any chords playing behind him. If you choose not to do that and you want to just start singing the tune, grab this easy chord here, which is an E minor 7 in our drop tuning, 6th string 2nd fret, 5th string 2nd fret. Play this rhythm 4 times. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. After that, he does this really great riff. This is one of my favorite parts of the song. It sounds like this. Okay, grab a D chord, just a regular rock and roll D chord. Hit a downstroke, kind of at your bass notes. Down, down, up, up. And then do a half bar on your 2nd fret, D major 7, upstroke. Extend that bar a little further so it becomes an A chord, upstroke. And then do this real common rock and roll chord here. This is a D F sharp chord. Put your middle finger on the 2nd string and your 3rd finger on the 4th string, 4th fret, and go up, down, up. Okay, I'll put that together for you. So it goes like this. Down, 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 up, 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 down, up. Beautiful part there. By the way, guys, if you find that difficult, just stay on the D chord that whole time if that riff is tough for you. Okay, 4 times, just stay on the D chord. It works perfectly fine. Let me play that verse for you without talking. I'll do it with the harmonics the first time and with the chord the second time. All right, so here goes. Ready, and... bridge is really easy and really fun to play. Hold this chord, which is a G6 chord. Put your middle finger on the 6th string 5th fret and your 3rd finger on the 5th string 5th fret. So it looks just like that E minor 7, except we're up here on the 5th fret. The 1st string is open. You hear it clearly in the song. Same rhythm. 4 times. the easiest part of the song. Hold this chord for me. Put your second finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and your pinky on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. This is an A7 sus4 chord. Okay, strum it out. Still in love with you. Switch to an A7, which is just on the 2nd fret. Let's go back. That's the chorus. All right, we've got all the parts now. Let's play together. All right, I'm going to play the intro, then I'm going to play a verse, I'm going to play a bridge, and then I'm going to play a chorus. Okay, and then the song just sort of loops in that way. Okay, I'm not going to talk at all. Let's just play together. Intro, 1, 2, ready, go. I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.